Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. Let's start by reviewing some of our words and our sounds. So, I see we have a silent E that hops over one consonant to make the A say A. We have some of our suffixes, our ED that means in the past, and our ING that means now, and ES that means now. Remember, when we have the ED, if our base word ends in a D or a T, we say ed. Here we go. You can read these with me at the same time or echo me. Bake, fade. Let's read our base word. Dent, ed, dented. Let's read our first syllable. Fun, knee, funny. Gave. Our base word, stuffing, stuffing. Our base word, wilted, wilted. Our base word, telling, telling. Our base word, mixes. Let's go back and read these a little bit smoother so we sound like we're reading and talking. Read them with me. Bake, fade, dented, funny, gave, stuffing, wilted, telling, mixes. Can you read these with me again if you had a great weekend? Here we go. Bake, fade, dented, funny, gave, stuffing, wilted, telling, mixes. Read these one more time if you are excited to be back at school. Bake, fade, dented, funny, gave, stuffing, wilted, telling, mixes. All right, I'm thinking of a word, and it's what happens to a flower when it doesn't get water or sunlight. It kind of droops, or we say it's wilted. I'm thinking of a word, and it's like another word for cooking. Maybe cupcakes or cake you bake. I'm thinking of a word, and when you laugh when something is this. If you're laughing, then something is probably funny, right? I'm thinking of a word, and it's a synonym for stirs. You stir something, or it's mixes. Good. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when there's like something gets pushed in, like a car gets pushed in by another car. Oh, we say it's dented, right? All right, this time I want you to shout out the word before I exit out. Dented, gave, telling, fade, wilted, funny, mixes, bake, stuffing. Good. Now let's go back over our I. I is in bike. Our I, consonant E. The E is silent. It hops over just one consonant to make the I say I. Here we go. You read these with me or echo me. Ride, side, hide, higher, tire, fire, pine, shine, time. Can we read these again? If you like having snow days or 2-hour delays, here we go. Ride, side, hide, higher, tire, fire, pine, shine, time. Can we read these again? If you like Wednesdays where you get to learn at home. Ride, side, hide, higher, tire, fire, pine, shine, time. So that I is saying its name because of the silent E. So let's look. I see some rhyming words. Do you see them? Rhyming words have to have the same vowel and the same ending letters. They all have the same vowel. Do you see the same ending letters? Oh, did you catch this? Ride, side, hide. They all rhyme. How about this? Tire, fire, and higher. They're in the ire family. We have pine and shine. Uh-oh, we have one with no rhyming family. Those are different letters, so they don't rhyme. All right, this time, you shout out the word before I exit out. Tire, time, hide, pine, higher, fire, side, shine, ride. Good. All right, let's get our paper and get it ready. Our date, February. It's a new month, February the 1st, 2021. All right. Write me the lowercase letter that says E as in funny. In a 2-syllable word, Y says E. Write me the lowercase letters that say K as in duck. At the end of a 1-syllable word, after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letter that says ing, and it means it's happening right now. It's a suffix we put at the end of the word that alters the meaning. What means right now? ING says ing. We are writing right now. Write me the lowercase letters that say I, as in bike. How do we get that I sound? I, consonant E. Write me the lowercase letters that say A, as in cake. How do we get that A sound? A, consonant E. We have to have that silent E that makes the vowel say its name. Write me the lowercase letters that say S, as in class, at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. S is spelled SS. Write me the lowercase letters that say ND, like in send. It's that ND. Check your D. Make sure you're making a D. Write me the lowercase letters that say ul, as in hill, at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel. Ul is spelled LL. Write me the lowercase letters that says is, and we use it when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES and you'll please me. It's that suffix, and it can mean more than one, or right now, like boxes, foxes, or brushes. Write me the lowercase letter that says S or Z, and it's a suffix, and it means more than one, like cats, dogs. It's the S. Write me the lowercase letter that says I, like in shy, Y, fly. In a 1-syllable word, Y says I. Write me the lowercase letters, and it means it's a suffix, and it's in the past. It means it already happened, and it can have 3 sounds, ed, d, or t. It's that ED. Good. All right, let's get ready to write some words. Here we go. Let's get our tapping hand ready. The first word is tape. Ready? T-A-P. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Tape. Now, if we leave it like this, it's tap. What do we need to make the A say A? Our silent E. A, consonant E, tape. Our next word is lane. Here we go. A. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. L, A. What do we need to make the A say A? A consonant E, lane. Our next word is bridge. Ready to tap? Br, I, J. 4 sounds, but 6 letters. Make sure you're making a B. Br, I, J. At the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel, J is spelled D-G-E. Our next one is, it's got a suffix, so let's do the base word first. Our base word is hatch. H-A-Ch. 3 sounds, but 5 letters. A. Now what says that ch at the end of a 1-syllable word after one short vowel? Ch is spelled T-C-H. But we're not done with it. What if I said the chick hatches from the egg? It's happening right now. Hatches. I hear that es suffix. It means it's happening now. And we say when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. Let's go back and read these together. You read them with me. Tape, lane, bridge, hatches. Now at our diamond, we're working on that new sound. I consonant E says I. Like in bike, I consonant E says I. I consonant E says I. That E is silent, but it has a job. It hops over one consonant to make the I say its name, I. Let's flip our paper over and do some I words. We still need our tapper hand. Here we go. Our first word is hide. Ready? Hide. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Hide. If we leave it like this, it's a short vowel. It's hid. We need a silent E. I consonant E to make it say I. Hide. Our next word is fire. Ready? Fire. I hear 3 sounds, but there's 4 letters. Fire. What do we need on the end to make the I say I? A silent E. Fire. Our next word is pine. Here we go. Pine. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. If we leave it like this, it's a short vowel. Pin. What do we need to make it say I? I consonant E. Pine. Our last one was an OG memory word. Time. Time. 3 sounds, but 4 letters. If we leave it like this, it's Tim. I consonant E to make it say I. Let's go back and read these together. Hide, fire, pine, time. Good. Now we have a brand new memory word. We've seen it in math, and it means to get bigger. M-O-R-E says more. That's our math word we need to be able to read. All right, let's get ready. Listen to my sentence with it. 10 is 1 more than 9. Or, I would like more, please. All right, let's skywrite. You do it with me. Look at your word. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. Let's say it as we write it. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. M-O-R-E says more. Let's look at it 2 more times. Here we go. M-O-R-E says more. Can you try closing your eyes? M-O-R-E says more. Can you try it on your own now? All right, check it with mine. M-O-R-E says more. Now, do you remember our other words? Do you remember how to spell the number word 2? T-W-O. It's a little different. We don't really hear that W. T-W-O says 2. Do you remember how to spell that word look? Look at look. L-O-O-K. L-O-O-K. So we had more, 2, and look. We'll get our paper ready for cops. It might be a telling sentence. It might be an asking sentence. It might be a sentence with expression and need an exclamation point. All right, here is our sentence. Just listen first. Which side has a flat tire? Let's count. Which side has a flat tire? 6 words. You're wondering, something's wrong with your bike. Which side has a flat tire? Oh, my voice is going up. I'm wondering. It's an asking sentence because I'm using that word which. Which side has a flat tire? Remember, we start with our uppercase. Now this which is the question word, and we know that a lot of our question words that say w is a WH. W-ich. It's just a CH. This is a question word, not the other which. Which side? I-d. 3 sounds, but 4 letters because I hear that I sound. Make sure you get a D. That's not side. What do we need? I, consonant E. Which side has, I think you've got has, a, we're going to have to go to the next line, flat. Let's tap it out. Fla-at. I hear every sound. Fla-at. Which side has a flat tire? I-er, but I hear that long I. What do we need to get that I sound? I, consonant E. I hear the tire. Which side has a flat tire? Question mark, we're asking. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Which side has a flat tire? Our question word, I'm going to underline our question word because it's just a CH for the question word. All right, good job today, boys and girls.